Hi guys, welcome to TechTube channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can install Steam after downloading. So I'm going the folder where I have download is Steam. Then I'm just double clicking on this Steam folder, and it will open like this. And you have to click on yes. Then go next. Then choose a language. Try to choose the English because it's international. Then click on install. Hold some minutes and your Steam is installed finally. You can use it now. Just click on finish. It will download some updates. Hold on. It's almost finished. Hold some minute. It's extracting package. Alright, extract done. Now you can see here the Steam. Okay, you can use it, and next video I'm gonna show how you can open an Steam account. Okay guys, so guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.